in 9th standard. In 9th standard, the name of this chapter was surface area and volume. Now the same chapter is continued in 10th standard, and in 10th standard we have to study this chapter with some further details. Now I want you to understand too, because it deals with area, volume and calculations. It's a beneficial chapter for future as well, right? So taking this into consideration, we are starting with lecture 1. Now I want all of you to have your formula sheet in front of us, so that whenever I ask a formula, you're not thinking, but you're ready with the formula, right? So we are starting with problem set 7, sum number 1, sub question 7. The question goes this way. Find the volume of a cube of side 0.01 centimeter. And now students, if this is the question, let us see first what is the information given. The first information which is given to us is side of a cube is 0.01 centimeter. And what are we supposed to find? The question says we have to find the volume of cube. Now, students, I want to ask a question to you all. What is the formula to find the volume of a cube? Yes, the formula to find the volume of a cube is nothing but perfect side. So what will we do now? With the value of side is 0.01 centimeter. So we will substitute the value of side as 0.01 in the next step. So we can write volume of cube is equal to 0.01 the whole cube. Now here, students, I want you to understand, whenever I say it is a cube, what is the meaning of a cube? The meaning of a cube means a into a into a. So what is the meaning of b cube? Yes, it is b into b into b. So same way here, if I ask a question, what is the meaning of 0.01 cube? Yes, perfect. 0.01 cube means 0.01 into 0.01 into 0.01. Now students, I want you to understand, if you see here, there are two decimals. There are two decimals here and there are two decimals here. So when we multiply the decimals, the total decimals are how much? How many decimals are there in all total? Yes, in all total we have 6 decimals. That means our answer would be of 6 decimals. So here, if you're very smart enough, you can identify which is the correct answer from the given options. There are 4 options given here, A, B, C and D. So tell me which is the option is having 6 decimals? Yes, there's option D. But then here we have to continue with the answer. So tell me students, what will be the next step? Yes, the answer would be 0.000001. So finally we can say therefore volume of a cube is 0.000001 centimeter cube. Students, I want you to remember one very important thing. Whenever the answer of a side is given in centimeter, the volume of that answer would be centimeter cube. Now remember this. Why? Because the unit of volume is in terms of cube. If the side is given in meters, volume would be meter cube. If the side is centimeter, volume would be centimeter cube. So here, since the side is given in centimeter, the answer for volume would be centimeter cube. The unit is very, very important in mensuration. So here, tell me students, which is the correct option we have got? Yes, the correct option is option D. Now students, I want you to understand, you don't have to write this entire sum. I'll be telling you a few sums to write. Here, these are the sums wherein you'll be asked a question, choose the correct option. So you don't have to solve the entire sum in the exams. This solving is only for our understanding. During the exam, you just have to write the question number and you have to write the option. That is option D. That's it. And you'll get 1 mark for that. Is it clear to all of you? So let us move on to a next sum. Sum number 1. Okay, problem set sum number 1, sub question 8. Find the side of a cube of volume 1 meter cube. And there are 4 options given to us. So in this sum, tell me students, what is given to us? Yes, हमें दिया है volume of a cube is 1 meter cube. Volume is given to us, and tell me students, what are we supposed to find? Yes, we have to find the side of a cube. Now students, you have a formula in front of you. Tell me, is there any formula to find the side of a cube? No, there is no formula to find the side of a cube. But what is given to us? We are given with volume of a cube. So what will we do? We'll be using the formula of volume of a cube. So tell me students, what is the formula to find volume of a cube? Yes, in the last sum we have already used it. Volume of a cube is equal to side cube. So now students, I want you to understand. We know the volume of cube as 1 meter cube. So we'll substitute the volume of cube as 1 and the rest will be as it is. So therefore, 1 is equal to side cube. I hope, did you understand this? Because volume of cube was given 1 meter cube. So we have substituted the value of volume of cube as 1 and rest remains same. Now this step is very important for us to understand. Normally, ये step समझना बहुत जरूरी है. What is given to us? Now we have got side cube as 1, right? But what are we supposed to find? We have to find the side, and we don't have to find the side cube. We have to find the side. That means we have to get rid of this cube. Now, if we have to get rid of this cube, we have to take a cube root. Am I very clear? If we have to get rid of this cube, we have to take cube root. So now we can say the next step would be, therefore, side is equal to cube root of 1. I hope all of you have understood, because we are not interested in side cube, but we have to find the side. So what did we do? We have taken the cube. So if we take the cube root, what is the cube root of 1? Yes, cube root of 1 is 1. So we can say, therefore, side is equal to 1 meters. I hope all of you have understood, because volume was in meter cube, so side would be 1 meter. Now students, one very important thing in this sum. If you see all the 4 options here, all the 4 options are in centimeters. And what answer we have got is in meters. That means we have to convert meter into centimeter to get the exact answer. Now, if you know the conversion says 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. अगर 1 meter 100 centimeter है, तो we can write down the next step as side is equal to 100 centimeter, because we are converting meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we have got the side of a cube, and side of a cube is 100 centimeter. Did you understand, students? So tell me which option is the correct answer here? Yes, option C. Again, I would like to repeat, in the exam, we are not telling you to write this entire steps. In the exam, you have to just write the question number. You don't even have to write the question. You just have to write the question number, and across question number, you have to write the correct option. That's it. And you'll get 1 mark for that. Is it very clear to all of you? So now let us move on to the next sum. Practice set 7.1, sum number 4. The question says, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. सबसे पहले हमें समझना है, what do you mean by a sphere? Now students, you have seen example. अगर sphere का example लेना है, तो हम बोल सकते हैं the best example is ball which you play, a cricket ball, football, or you can say a watermelon, a round watermelon, okay, lemon, sphere. So in this sum, what is the given information? If you see what is given, the radius of a sphere is given 7 centimeter. So now let us see, this is sphere in front of us for better understanding. How much is the radius given? 7 centimeter. So now for the sphere, we know that radius is given 7 centimeter. Students, we represent radius with small r. So henceforth, if we say r, that means you have to write radius in terms of small r. Is it clear to all of you? So radius is 7 centimeter given to us. And what are we supposed to find? We have to find the surface area of a sphere. Students, look at your formula sheet and tell me what is the formula to find the surface area of a sphere. Now here in a sphere, remember, in a sphere, curved surface area and total surface area both are same. Since there is no flat surface in a sphere, total surface area and curved surface area remains the same. So I know all of you have got the answer. What is the formula? Perfect. Surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Is it clear? Now here we have to substitute the values to get the answer. 4 into, now students, one very important thing we have to remember, because many students, they keep on asking what is the value of pi, when to write this value, when to write the other value. So now I want you to understand, value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14 we take. I repeat, the value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So here in this sum, we have given with radius 7 centimeter. If radius is given 7 centimeter, it's very clear hint to us that value of pi should be taken 22 upon 7. Is it clear? And when to take 3.14, that also I will let you know in that sum. Is it clear? Now r square. Now students, tell me what is the meaning of r square? R square means r into r. How much is the value of radius? Yes, 7 centimeter. So r square means r into r. So can we write ahead 7 into 7? So now 7 will get cancelled. So next step is 4 into 22 into 7. Students, here I want you to multiply. 4 into 22 is 88. 4 into 22 is how much? 88. I am giving some time to you all. Multiply 88 into 7. I'm waiting for you all. I'll wait for 15-20 seconds. Get the answer. 88 into 7. Students, don't depend on the answer from others, or don't try to get ready-made answers. Make a habit. This chapter you can improve by only doing your own calculations. You might make mistake in calculation, but that is okay. So did you all get the answer? Yes. So tell me students, what is 88 into 7? Perfect. 88 into 7, we have got the answer as 616. That is 616. Now here students, or while writing the final answer, because the question is asked, find the surface area of a sphere. So we have to write the final answer. Whenever we are writing the final answer, we have to write the unit. Okay. Students, it is area. In the earlier sums, we have already discussed, when it is volume, the unit is in terms of cube. In this sum, it is not volume, but it is area. Whenever there is area, the unit is in terms of square. I repeat again, whenever there is area, the unit is in terms of square. So radius was given 7 centimeter. Since centimeter is the unit prevailing in this sum, we can say surface area of the sphere is 616 centimeters square. I hope all of you have understood this. So this was the sum to find the surface area of a sphere. In this sum, there were no options given. It's a 2-mark question. So definitely we have to write this entire steps. So I want all of you all to write the sum. Just write practice set 7.1, sum number 4. No need of writing the question. Just write the question number and copy down from here. I'm giving you 2 minutes for this. Is it clear? Sure? With your due permission? Perfect. Now, let us start with a new sum. Same practice set 7.1, sum number 11. The question goes this way. Find the surface area and the volume of a beach ball shown in the figure. स्टूडेंट्स बीच बॉल, आप सब लोग बीच पर तो गए होंगे सब लोग, बराबर है ना? बीच पर जब नॉर्मली हमने देखा होगा, जब बीच पर जाते हैं तो वी प्ले ओके विथ बॉल, लाइक वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन वॉलीबॉल जो खेलते हैं वो बीच बॉल खेलते हैं, बीच बॉल से. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी कलरफुल बॉल, एंजॉयमेंट होता है, टाइम पास होता है. सो सेम एग्जांपल हैज बीन टेकन. So students, what is the information given in this sum? The first and the foremost information which is given in the figure, that is 42 centimeter. So tell me students, what is this 42 centimeter? If you see from top to bottom, the distance is given 42 centimeter. From top to bottom, the distance is 42 centimeter. That means in this sum, the information given is diameter. Is it very clear to all of you? So here for a spherical beach ball, diameter is given 42 centimeter. Is this very clear? Now students, whenever diameter is given, we all know in 9th standard we have studied, in 8th standard we have studied, radius easily we can find. बराबर है? Now radius diameter का आधा होता है. Radius is always half of the diameter. If diameter is 42 centimeter, can we say radius is equal to 42 upon 2, because 42 diameter is आधा, so divide by 2. So radius is 42 upon 2. Now when we calculate 2 ones are 2, 20 ones are. So we have got the answer for radius is 21 centimeter. So diameter was given to us. From diameter we have found out radius. Now students, tell me, what are we supposed to find out in this sum? Yes, very good. In this sum, we are supposed to find out two things. We have to find out surface area and we have to find out volume of beach ball. Is it clear to all of you? Now here, we can find out surface area first and then we can find out volume, or we can find out volume first and then we can find out surface area. It is all up to us. Is it clear to all of you? Here, we are finding out volume first. There is no such thing. Why are we finding out volume? We can find out surface area first and then volume, or we can find out volume first and then surface area. That is all up to us. Is it clear? The students, tell me, beach ball is nothing but a sphere. That's why we have written here a spherical beach ball. So students, volume of beach ball means volume of sphere. So look in the formula sheet and tell me what is the formula to find volume of sphere. Perfect, very good. Volume of spherical beach ball is nothing but volume of sphere, and volume of sphere, we know the formula, it is 4 upon 3 pi r. Is it clear to all of you? Perfect. Now we'll substitute the values. 4 upon 3 will remain as it is into pi. Students, the same thing. Which value should we take? 22 upon 7 or 3.14? Now here if you see, a radius is 21 centimeter. Now 21 is a multiple of 7. I repeat, 21 is a multiple of 7. Now what is the meaning of multiple? 7 के टेबल में 21 आता है. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. 21 7 के टेबल में आता है कि नहीं? Perfect. So here value of pi, we will take it as 22 upon 7 into r cube. Now what is the meaning of r cube? R cube means r into r into r. Perfect. So here radius is 21. That means here we'll write it as 21 into 21 into 21. I hope all of you have understood this. Now students, calculation, we can do it. I'll help you out with simple calculation, and then the most important part you have to calculate. 3 1s are 3 7s are. Now many of them can do 7 1s are 7 1s are, but here in this case we have done 7 1s are 7 3s are to reduce the number. That's it. Is it clear? So now we are left with 4 into 22 into, how much is 7 into 3? Yes, 7 into 3 is 21 into this 21 is also left. Is it very clear to all of you? So 4 into 22 into 21 into 20. I want all of you all to calculate this. I'm giving you exactly 1 minute for this. Calculate. Don't wait to get the answer ready-made. Parents, you have got? Yes. Perfect. We have got the answer as 38,808. Is it clear to all of you? But students, again, very important. We have to write the answer in the form of statement. What is the volume of beach ball? Volume of spherical beach ball is 38,808. But what will be the unit? Since the radius is in centimeter given to us, and we are talking about volume, if you remember in the earlier sum, I have spoken to you all, volume, the unit should be always in terms of cube. In this sum, the unit which is prevailing is centimeter. So the final answer we can write, volume of a spherical beach ball is 38,808 centimeter cube. Did you understand this? Clear? I want all of you all to copy down this sum fast. I'm giving you exactly 2 minutes for this. Now we'll move further for surface area because this sum is of two parts. First we have found out volume. Now we'll find out surface area. Is it clear? Fine. Now this was the answer for volume. The same question is the same, but now we have to find out surface area. The students tell me, what is the formula to find the surface area? Yes. Surface area of a spherical beach ball is nothing but 4 pi r square. The surface area is 4 pi r square is the formula. Now we have to substitute the values. So 4 into value of pi will remain the same, 22 upon 7 into r square. Now what is the meaning of r square? R into r. So it is 21 into 21. We'll calculate 7 ones are 7 threes are. So it is 4 into 22 into 3 into 21. I want all of you all to calculate this part. Somebody has already got the answer, but I request all of you all to calculate this part first. This is a pretty simple calculation. Yes. So did you get the answer for all of you? Yes. The answer is 5,544. But now I want you to understand about the units because normally students, they forget to write the unit or they write a wrong unit. In this, we are dealing with surface area. That means we are talking about area. Students, if there is area, the unit is in terms of square. If it is volume, the unit is in terms. If it is area, the unit is in terms of square. Since we are dealing with centimeter in this sum, finally we can write the answer. The surface area of a spherical beach ball is 5,544 centimeter square. I hope all of you have understood this. Yes, please copy down this.